Hey y'all, it's Paula with Sparkle Farts Paper Crafts, and today I am doing a little show and tell of Petals, Paper, and Paws from Lottie's Magic Attic. First thing is a hidden paper clip. You know, I pretty much always make one. Little black kitty cat. This one was out of my comfort zone. I typically don't do a lot of pink. I'm not a pink girl. But we are featuring some of Lottie's kits for Throwback Thursday. This is not one of the most current kits, so I made a little flip out, a little hidey hole spot there. I did keep this one pretty simple with the pockets that were given, but I did use almost all of the ephemera on this. A little Velcro closure there, little tag flip out. Backed all of them with a very neutral cream color, I believe. Oh no, it's a pink. It's part of the kit, actually. Sorry about that. Close that back up. Left a lot of space to write. Someone could put pictures in here of their own kitty cats. Our flip spot. The artwork in this one is super cute. I love cats. We have two. We have a Checkers and a Phoebe. Checkers is a tuxedo cat, just like her name would imply. And Phoebe was the cat we told our son, don't bring a cat home, and he brought a cat home and then almost immediately joined the Air Force. So we have two cats. Anyways, yeah, that's my crazy life. This one looks like Phoebe. I did use all the little tickets in here. It's a very pink kit, as you can see. And this material was from a wedding shop. I think it was a mother of the bride dress, possibly. Anyways, it's so pretty. That's it. Have a good day.